Hello, welcome back to Decaf-Math ASMR, and a warm welcome if you are new here. If you aren't new here, then you probably know that every now and again I like to make intentionally sleepy videos. And so today, or tonight, or whatever time it is for you, I'd like to take some time and prime you for relaxation and or sleep. Get it? Prime you. So today we will do the prime factorizations of the numbers from 1 to 100. Was that how you say it? You find the prime factors of the numbers from 1 to 100. So I've already written out all of the prime numbers from 1 to 100. So we will go through and fill in the gaps. And we will couple the whispering and soft speaking with a single item, because I want to bring in some more ASMR as well. And I personally really like scratchy sounds like this. So I will be playing around with this brush as well. Brush. You can let me know whether or not you like this sound and if you find it soothing. But it'll just be kind of like background sounds. So hopefully I won't lose track of what number I'm on, but I imagine that that's going to get kind of tricky as I try and do this in my head. But you need not concern yourself with the end result. We are just going to relax and have fun with this. And you can follow along if you feel like it, but you are equally welcome to just close your eyes and fall asleep. So we'll start with 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite, and we'll leave it at that. 2 is prime, 3 is prime, and I guess I should mention that all that means is that you can't break these up into any more factors, any pairs of numbers that multiply together to give you these, other than 1 and itself. So 2 can't be broken down into anything else other than 1 times 2. Okay, so 2 and 3. 4 is 2 times 2. So 2 is prime, and you can factor out 4. Factor 4 into 2 times 2. So that's 2 squared. 5 is prime, so you can only break it down into 1 and 5. So we're talking about multiplication here. That's what factor gives me 6. 7 is prime. 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 cubed. And you might not do it the same way that I do. So if you start by breaking 8 down into 2 times 4, and then seeing that 4 breaks down to 2 times 2, then you have 2 times 2 times 2 anyways. So just go with your own process. 9 is 3 squared. 3 times 3. 3 times 3. 10 is 2 times 5. 2 times 5. 11 is prime. 12 is, let's see, 3 times 4, but 4 is 2 squared, so 2 squared times 3. 12 is 2 squared times 3. And I like to write the prime factors from smallest to biggest, which is pretty common for number theory and helpful. So 2 squared times 3. 13 is prime. 14 is 2 times 7. 2 times 7. 15 is 3 times 5. Nice. 3 times 5, and 3 and 5 are prime. 16 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 to the 4th. 17 is prime. 18 is 2 times 9, but 9 is 3 squared. So 2 times 3 squared. 18 is 2 times 3 squared. 19 is prime. 20 is 4 times 5, but 4 is 2 squared. So 2 squared times 5 is 20. 21 is 3 times 7. 22 is 2 times 11. 23 is prime. And 24, let's see, 24 is 3 times 8. 3 times 8, but 8 is 2 cubed. So 2 cubed times 3. 2 cubed times 3 is 24. 25 is 5 squared. 26 is 2 times 13. 27 is 3 times 3 times 3. 3 cubed. 3 cubed. 3 cubed. 3 times 3 times 3. That's 27. 28 is 4 times 7, right? So 2 squared times 7. 28. 29 is prime. 30 is 3 times 10, but 10 is 2 times 5. So 2 times 3 times 5 is 30. 31 is prime. 32 is the power of 2, because it's 16 times 2, right? So 2 times 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 2. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. Nice. 33 is 3 times 11. 34 is 2 times 17. 35 is 3. Nope. 35 is 5 times 7. 36 is 4 times 9. You have some perfect squares. So 2 squared times 3 squared. 2 squared times 3 squared is 36. 37's prime. prime. 38 is 2 times 19, which is prime. 2 and 19. 39 is 3 times 13. 40 is, let's see, about 5 times 8. So 2 cubed times 5. 2 cubed times 5. What number are we on? 40. 41 is prime. 42 is 6 times 7. So that's 2 times 3 times 7. 43 is prime. 44 is 2 squared times 11 because it's 4 times 11. So 2 squared times 11 is 44. 45 is 5 times 9, which is 3 squared. So 3 squared times 5 is 45. 46 is 2 times 23. 47 is prime. 48 is, let's see, about 3 times 16. So 2 to the power of 4 times 3 is 48. 49 is 7 squared. 50 is 2 times 25, which is 5 squared. So 2 times 5 squared is 50. So we're halfway there. 2 times 5 squared is 50. And that's halfway there to 100. 51. 51. I'm glad that I wrote all the primes first. 51 always seems prime. But it's 3 times 17. 3 times 17. 52 is 2 times 26. So that's 2 times 2 times 2 times. What am I on? 15. 2 squared times 13. 2 squared times 13. 53 is prime. 54 is 27 times 2, so 2 times 3 cubed. 55 is 5 times 11. 56 is 7 times 8. So 2 cubed times 7 is 56. 57 is 3 times 19. 3 times 19. 58 is 2 times 29, which is prime. 59 is prime. 60 is 6 times 10, so 2 times 3 times 2 times 5, so 2 squared times 3 times 5 is 60. 2 squared times 3 times 5, which makes sense, right? 12 times 5 is 60, so 2 squared times 3 times 5. 61 is prime. 62 is 2 times 31, which is prime. 63 is 3 times 21, so 3 squared times 7. 9 times 7 is 63, so 3 squared times 7. 64 is the power of 2. It's 32 times 2, so 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 to the power of 6. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 65 is 5 times 13. 66 is 2 times 3 times 11, because it's 6 times 11. 67's prime. 68 is 4 times 17, so 2 squared times 17 53. 70 is 2 times 35. So 2 times 5 times 7. 71 is prime. 72 is 8 times 9. So 2 cubed times 3 squared. 2 cubed times 3 squared. And what were we on? 72. 73 is prime. 74 is 2 times 37, which is prime. 75 is 3 times 25, which is 5 squared, so 3 times 5 squared. 76 is 2 times 38, which is 2 times 19. So 2 squared times 19, 76. Is that what I'm on? I think so. 77 is 7 times 11. 78. 78 is 2 times 39, which is 3 times 13. So 2 times 3 times 13. 2 times 3 times 13. 79 is prime. 80 is 8 times 10. So 2 cubed times 2 times 5. So 2 to the power of 4 times 5. 2 to the power of 4 times 5, which is 16 times 5, which is 80. So that makes sense. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. That was 80, right? So 81 is 3 to the power of 4. 82 is 2 times 41, which is prime. 83 is prime. 84 is 2. Wait, 84 is 4 times 21. So we have 2 squared times 3 times 7. Whoop. 2 squared times 3 times 7. 85 is 5 times 17. 86 is 2 times 43, which is prime. 87 is 3 times 29. 3 times 29, which is prime. Okay, that's good. 88 is 8 times 11, so 2 cubed times 11. 89 is prime. 90 is 3 squared, which is 9 times 10, so 2 times 3 squared times 5. 91 is 91. What's 91? 91 is I feel like it's a 17. No, 91 is 13 times 7. 7 times 13 is 91. 92 is 2 times 46, which is 2 times 23. 2 squared times 23. 2 squared times 23. 93 is 3 times 31. 94 is 2 times 47. It's nice when there are 2 factors only. 95 is 5 times 19. 5 times 19 is 95. 96 is 3 times 32, which is 2 to the power of 5 times 3. is 2 times 49, which is 7 squared. So 2 times 7 times 7. 2 times 7 squared is 98. 99 is 3 squared times 11. And last but not least, 100. 100 is 4 times 25, perfect squares. So 2 squared times 5 squared. 2 squared times 5 squared. And that is it. 2 squared times 5 squared. So that's all the numbers from 1 to 100. If you are asleep by now, sweet, sweet dreams. I hope that you enjoyed this exercise with me. And I hadn't really worked these out at a time, but it's just something that I like to do when my mind won't quiet down. And I know that there must be at least one other nerd out there here on our channel. So I like the idea of breaking things down into simpler pieces. So if you can't sleep one night, instead of counting sheep, maybe you can think about prime numbers a bit. And I hope that this was relaxing. I got a little bit in my head trying to do some calculations, but I hope that you also enjoyed the background brush sounds. And thank you for joining me on this journey as I play around with ASMR a little bit and hopefully make math a relaxing thing that